We drove the Tata Curve.EV in Udaipur, and here's everything that you need to know. The Tata Curve.EV was launched in Mumbai with great fanfare, and its top management took us through all its prime features, explaining to us what went into the making of this standout product, an SUV coupe. And soon enough, we were in Udaipur to drive this gorgeous Tata Curve.EV. Traditionally, hardy, tough, and robust are words that have been associated with Tata cars. Today, two more new words have been added to this list: sporty as well as elegant. And that is Tata's new SUV coupe for you. Let's take a closer look to see what this SUV coupe body style has on offer. Now, the front has a lot going on, with the LED lights, the light bar, the charging port with the illuminated Tata logo, the aerodams, and the Force skid plate. In order to make the car even more aerodynamic, they have given these aerodams over here, as well as aero inserts on these 18-inch wheels right here. These beautiful squared off arches really go with the whole design theme on the Curve.EV. The Tata Curve gets flush door handles, and the best part is that these door handles come with these LED lights. Now the Tata Curve also gets cladding right here in black, but this black is a beautiful piano black finish, and it looks really stylish on this beautiful EV. You'll see that the Tata Curve gets this badging over here in their specialized teal color. However, you'll see that the badging at the rear is in black. A gorgeous roofline and a sexy rear truly give the Tata Curve.EV a fabulous SUV coupe look. How can you not fall in love with the rear of this car? Look at the gorgeous lines, the cuts, the creases. All of this truly make the Curve.EV a spectacular offering from Tata. The sloping roofline and this rear truly make it worthwhile. And the Tata Curve.EV also gets the shark fin antenna. But that's not all. The Tata Curve also boasts a cavernous boot of 500 litres. Now the Tata guys have given something that cars on higher segments usually get. For instance, you want to open the boot of your car, this is how you can do it. And to shut it, all you need to do is press this button over here. Don't you think you're getting a lot of car for your money? As you can see, the charging port is right here in the front. Now the reason the designer tells me that they have put this charging port right here in the front is because it makes it easier to charge the car from the charging point. One of the best things about buying an EV is that you're buying your EV in the right color. And this virtual sunrise definitely epitomizes the right choice. You'll notice that the interiors on the Tata Curve.EV look really premium. And you will also notice that they have made use of so many different textures, whether it's the seat or the dash. There are just a whole bunch of different textures that feel so tactile. There's also a beautiful blue stitching which denotes that it is an EV. Now you'll notice that the Tata Curve.EV gets a white and grey interior, whereas the Tata Curve, the ICE version, gets a maroon interior. The white and grey interior gives the Tata Curve.EV a very fresh and premium feel. Sunroof lovers rejoice. As you can see, the Tata Curvv.EV gets a full-fledged panoramic sunroof. Now you'll notice that the Tata Curvv.EV really gets rid of all those annoying buttons and knobs. What they have provided is a very clean look inside their car, and this makes it look really premium and very sophisticated. For charging your devices, there's a USB-A port provided over here, as well as a USB-C port, which is a 45-watt port, and there's also a charging pad right here. Just look at how the backlit lights, the gear shifter and the rotary knob give the car such a premium feel. You'll notice that the Tata Curvv.EV, just like their other cars, gets 3 driving modes. There's Eco, there's City, and then there is Sport. There's also an electronic parking brake that has been provided. Soon it was time to check out the rear. And the rear seats came with adjustable headrests. Truly commendable. The rear seems to be a very spacious place. There's lots of knee room, lots of elbow room, and the white interiors make it look really roomy. And there's also different recline angles for you to make sure that you're really seated comfortably at the rear. There's also an armrest and 2 cup holders for you to place your beverage cans here. Not to mention AC vents as well as a charging port at the rear. Soon it was time to take the Tata Curvv.EV out for a spin. And we got behind the wheel of the Tata Curvv.EV in order to check out its capabilities as well as its performance. Built on Tata's new Active EV architecture, the same one that their Punch.EV also uses, this new architecture offers better features, making Tata's new EVs better than the ones that had been built on their previous Ziptron architecture. As you can see, the 12.3-inch touchscreen and the 10.25-inch instrument cluster are both top-notch. The Tata Curvv.EV gets 2 battery options, the 45 kWh and the 55 kWh battery packs that put out 150 horsepower as well as 167 horsepower respectively. This along with 215 Nm of torque. While the 45 kWh battery pack does 0 to 100 in 9 seconds, the larger battery pack, which is the 55 kWh battery pack, can do the same in 8.6 seconds. Assuming you're driving the Tata Curvv.EV with a 55 kWh battery pack, in that case, you can juice it up from 10% to 80% in 40 minutes flat if you use the 70 kW DC fast charger. From 10% to full in around 8 hours if you use the 7.2 kW AC charger. And you can also juice it up from 10% to full in around 21 hours using a 15 amp socket. Oh, and lest we forget, Tata claims a range of 502 kilometers as well as 585 kilometers on the 45 kWh and the 55 kWh batteries respectively. And that's not all. The Tata Curvv.EV also gets V2V capabilities, which is vehicle-to-vehicle capabilities, as well as V2L capabilities, which translates as vehicle-to-load capabilities for your other outdoor camping gear, which you may need when you're traveling on the road. We drove the Curvv.EV through some long winding roads of Udaipur, as well as on some broken roads and bad patches. And we're happy to report that the Curvv.EV tackled every kind of road surface with great aplomb, thereby showing us what an absolutely terrific offering it is. And tackling corners in the Tata Curvv.EV was loads of fun as well. In terms of safety, the Tata Curvv.EV gets 6 airbags, front and rear parking sensors, 360-degree camera, and SOS calling, amongst other features. Additionally, the Tata Curvv.EV also gets radar and camera-based ADAS features. Driving the Tata Curve.EV definitely did put a smile on our faces. The prices for the Tata Curve.EV start from 17.50 lakh Indian rupees and go up to around 22 lakh Indian rupees. And so friends, we finally finished driving the Curve.EV. And this Curve.EV is not just big on tech, but also on performance and design. And I would definitely be putting my money on it. So friends, if you've enjoyed watching our video, don't forget to like, share as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel, Turn of Speed. See you in the next one. Ciao.